Hello, my loves. Yeah, I finally found some time to record this video. Whoa. I'm sorry if you hear some noises in the background because my neighbor is making some reparation in his cabin and he is quite loud, so I'm sorry. I hope you can hear me well. Last month I finished this art journal and it was so fun to create and play in it. Okay, I pulled some brown paper together, and for the cover I used this gorgeous handmade paper made by my sweet and bestie friend Christine. So thank you, Christine. I love all of it. I mean, I love the color, the feel of it. It's very soft, and I love that she includes some real flowers and leaves in it, as you can see here. Just gorgeous, just perfect. She's so talented, guys. I will link her channel below, so go and check her channel. Well, I just, as you can see, I just stitched a piece of fabric and some lace. And for the inside, I just stitched this beautiful and gorgeous marble paper made by my dear friend Sandra. Thank you, Sandra. I just, wow, I just love them so much. They are so gorgeous. And this is just a piece of paper from the Jane Davenport paper pack. And my dear Hudi Heritage made me these beautiful handmade crochet flowers and also these dangle things here, the butterfly and beads and some pompons. Yeah, just so beautiful. Okay, let's do the flip through. I started this journal, yeah, last November and finished last month in May. So okay, this is my first page. Kind of, I don't know. My first page are a little funky. Just be in the flow of a new art journal. So I was I remember I made this page after doing a meditation with this mantra, Dharma Hum. So it means I'm aligned with the flow of the universe, and it was a great one. I had a great moment, and then I was inspired and just, yeah, that is from a coloring book and yeah, some pieces of bits and bobs, as you can see. uh, it's a very strange, very strange page, sorry, I struggle a lot with this page. It was not my originally pages, I made it over and over. And okay, I'm done with it. Maybe I will add something later, but yeah, for the moment, it is one of my poetry. And yeah, it represents some kind of wild and wisdom at the same time. So there is I don't know if you can see well, it's an owl and a woman with a wolf, and yeah. That's it. Maybe I will do it later, I don't know. Okay. uh, I made this page during an hour date with Christine, and I really love the way it turns out. It's kind of very simple but very beautiful. So this I think, yes, it was a Take 5 Art collaboration. So you watch me doing this page, and I love it very much. It was another art date with Christine. Yeah. And I made this page during it was yeah, my last YouTube live stream. Yeah, the video was deleted after I made a mistake. And okay, and it was a take 5, I think so. And I really love this page. this one is the January Take 5 collaboration too. I love it too, and this is from another journal, and I included this page because I didn't want another art journal. I'm sticking with one art journal this year. I mean, yeah, mostly. I'm trying my best to stick with one, to do the challenges and some free pages. So this is the Mission Inspirations page. It was kind of the theme of steampunk, and I really love this style. I have to do more of this kind of style pages. This was what it was. I don't remember. It was probably the last challenge with Kali Black, Dice and Deal. Yeah. So I really love this page. Yeah. Uh, this is a free page. I had just some fun with paint and yeah, experimenting things. Another Take 5 art collaboration. Another, you watched me doing this too. This one was for the April Art and Soul Challenge, along with this page, and it was to include some elements. This is one of my poetry, by the way, and yeah, it's the artwork from ah, what's the name of the artist? I don't remember. Sorry. uh, Chagall, Mark Chagall. Yeah, this was I include some piece of her gorgeous artwork. Yeah, some I really love the composition and the color of this page. And this was the other one. Yeah, we had to include some elements like feather, thingy, I'm not sure, numbers, cat, a quote, I think. Yeah, some kind, I don't remember exactly. This was a trial for a big piece I made for the event, this summer event, my high school. I talked about it in the ice skate videos where there is an event and every the anniversary of my high school, and I made several pieces, and this is one of them. So the small scale. I mean, I was practicing or it was working with the paint, what the effect I wanted to give. So yeah, so yeah, I really love the background and with the crackle effect here and the paint and the color and the ice skate figure and yeah, the quote again the same thing in the small scale. I think it was with the brush show, if I remember correctly. Yeah. Okay, this is from the Mission Inspiration page. I think I have a video, I'm not sure. I think so. Yeah, I think so. It was in April. This was the April Take 5 art collaboration too. This one is a totally free page, and I had a bunch of scraps and leftover, and okay, let's stick together, stitch together, and see what's happened. You know that kind of page. So I really love the way it turns out with the tea bag and all the dimension of the fabric and paper together and burlap, and yeah, I really love it. It's one of my favorite page. Uh, this one is my try of painting a Buddha face. Um, I'm still practicing and learning, so I'm not quite happy with the result, but it's okay. It's a trial, it's a playing, right? And I really love this quote. Okay, I think this was a challenge by the trashy and flourish group, Rosemary, I don't remember her name. It's a challenge called Three Line Novel, and we have a picture of this fish and this, and we have to create something with it. So again, I glue a bunch of layers of things, of bits and eclectic things. Sorry, guys. My phone. Yeah, it's always like that when you record something. um, oops. I think this one was a pick 10, March pick 10, yes, challenge with Cindy Other challenge. So yeah, and this was is the April pick 10 too. Yeah, I don't did the or made the page um, in order. I try, but no. So the you saw this. This is a free page. Yeah, I really love elephant, and I don't know. I was kind of in the mood of creating a funky page. So yeah. So I really was inspired to do this kind of thing by the artist Laurie Mary Jenkins. Yeah, I do this acetate windows in my journal, and I really love the way it turns out. It's quite different, but I mean this side and this side, but I really love it the way it turns out. Um, Again, it was I was inspired by Laurie Marie Jenkins, and I try to do for to remake, redo, I don't know, a transfer, an image transfer with some gel matte medium, and it really works. So I'm quite pleased. I love this technique, and yeah, and it's Pierre de Coubertin, the father of the Olympic game. By the way, if you wonder who he is, and yeah, I really love this page. Very vintage, but very, I don't know, whimsy and whimsical, funny, whatever you want to call it. A free page too, and trying some technique with doing some puppies and a cool background with a lot of colors and layers, and yeah, I really love this page too. Sorry guys, I have a phone call. Okay, this page, well, I think I was there. I don't remember, yeah. Okay, this page was for an Instagram challenge called Artjournal Challenge. It's a French group. Okay, and the theme was Be Grounded. And I really love the way that this page turns out. It's uh, this I try different technique, watercolor background with plastic wrap, and this tree. This is gold foil. I really love the texture of it. I just love this page. This page was from Mission Inspiration. It was in February, and March Mission Inspiration. I think you watched me create both of them. I made a pocket, as you can see, just for fun, for the fun of it. I had stitched it with some yarn and decorated the front and the back. And this is from the May Pick 10 challenge, and I used the happy what my friend Jayana sent me in Happy Mail. So yeah, I did the prompt with the Jayana's goodies, and I really love the way it turns out. And it lives there. That was Mission Inspiration in May. I think you watched me create this too. Uh, you watched me also create these two tags from the Challenge Retos Mix Media, the Spanish group, and I really love these tags, both of them. Here I just glue um, baby wrap, use colorful baby wrap and an article from a magazine I love. A free page with a lot of texture and different things, and I love it. It's very bright and colorful. And the last page is the Take 5 art collaboration, the May. Yeah, you watch me create this too. I really love this page too. And yeah, that's that's it, my friend. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please, if you do, you know, leave me a comment, a like, share, subscribe, that kind of jam. So thank you very much for your love and your support. See you soon, very soon. Bye.